Hi, today we're going to be discussing researching our affiliate products. We have selected our niche, we've done some broad keyword topical map building. So now it's time to just see what type of opportunities we do have in terms of affiliate products and generating an income for ourselves. So affiliate products are services or items sold by other companies that pay a commission to affiliates, us, the blog site owners. We get a percentage of whatever traffic we drive to them as long as the traffic makes a purchase. It depends on what you're selling, but you can get between 5% to 50% commissions. All depends on what you are selling. So there are plenty of places you can get affiliate offers from. Amazon, ClickBank, ShareASale. That's a few, but there's a whole lot out there these days. So basically, to do the research on this, pretty straightforward. We just asked Chat, list potential affiliate products related to loan maintenance lawns or related to your niche, and let's just see what it comes up with. Hopefully there are a few options out there. I could definitely see a lot of physical products, but I am really hoping there will be some digital products as well. So here are some potential affiliate products related to low maintenance lawns. Robotic lawnmowers, low maintenance grass seed, artificial turf, smart irrigation systems. So all physical products, but definitely things that people would be interested in purchasing. Artificial turf. So, geez, this does have a lot of opportunity. I mean, you could use artificial turf as one of your pillar posts, really, and build up a solid foundation of topical authority on that, and then go out, find a couple of artificial turf companies in either your local area or whatever market you're servicing. For me, for this website, it would be America. So I would find 3 or 4 companies that cover all of America, and I would find out if they do affiliate offers or referrals. I could do that by either contacting them directly or searching Google and seeing what we can find. But as I mentioned, there are no digital, lawn care apps. I haven't personally looked into lawn care apps, but I couldn't imagine they would be the biggest seller in the world, but that would actually be quite interesting to look at. How many lawn care apps are there, and do they have much demand? Search the internet. So I always tell Chat to search the internet, just kind of prompts it to go and have a bit of a look out there. But so this is where I go down a rabbit hole and I start researching and researching and researching, which is very good. It gives you a far better understanding of your niche. There are numerous lawn care apps available with over 20 popular options catering to both homeowners and lawn care businesses. Well, that's true as well. Lawn care businesses, I mean, they still need to find information. So that's another one of our potential customers. Invoicing, these apps, scheduling, route optimization. Okay, they're a bit off topic, but I mean, you could eventually link out to these. Invoicing, probably not, but you never know. Demand for these apps is high, driven by the need for efficient lawn care management. Okay, well, that's good to know. So now let's see if there are some better digital products out there. What are popular digital products I can promote on a blog about low maintenance lawn cares for busy homeowners? Lawn care ebooks and guides, digital guides focused on easy lawn care tips, online lawn care courses. So I'm going to ask search for, let's see if there are many out there. Again, I guess ebooks, lawn care, that would be a pretty good seller. Plant identification apps, online lawn courses, I'll try that one next, because a course generally has got very high commissions because someone's recorded the product once. Now they're just making recurring recurring sales. They're not having to put in much more time and effort. So, courses you can generally get 20 to 50% commissions on. They are fantastic. So let's just see. Ebooks, organic lawn care manual. Scott's Lawns, your guide to a beautiful yard. Lawn problem solver. No dig. Okay, so we could end up linking out to different ebooks. Are there any online lawn care courses? Search the internet and see if you can find prices. Search the internet and see if you can find prices for these courses. Because pricing, obviously, that just said .uk, but that's Lawnpreneur Academy offers course ranging from starting a lawn care business to specific services like mulching and aeration. Prices range from $49 to $99 per course. That's pretty good. That's in that price range where people would be happy to buy. And if we can make 20%, 50% commissions off that, that's not bad at all. And that price range is great. That's within the budget of a lot of people to spend a few dollars to get some information. So I actually really like that. Advanced certificate, 900 hours of study in costs pounds. So what's that? That's very expensive. Even in USD, that's still going to be about the same, I believe. But there you go. You've got another course there. If you could even make 20% commissions off that, you sell a couple of those a month. So here you would write a post directly about this. You'd review it. You would do something. And then you can link from all your other pages, all your other pillar posts. Not pillar posts, but your pillar posts, but also all your other posts. You could link back to this. So it creates a bit of a funnel. You send people down into this post from every single... Hang on, give me 1 second. Here's our pillar posts from we discovered in the last video. So each one of these posts, you could link out, say something. Would you like an advanced certificate in turf care? Check out our review of ACS Garden. And you would link to your post about ACS Garden, and hopefully you do get a couple of conversions. That would be the ultimate goal, obviously. Lawn care online certificate courses. Currently, Lifetime Lawn Association online lawn care. So there are definitely courses out there, which is good to see. Digital courses. I just find digital products sell a lot easier than physical. But when we go back to the physical as well ebooks, that's all digital, which is great. But you do have things. What did I see? Well, these are all. Where are we? Back up here. So these are in high demand. Definitely a growing brand. A growing trend. Robotic lawnmowers. So if you could establish, again, robotic lawnmowers, I would go through and probably write 10, 15, 20 posts just about that. I would essentially use robotic lawnmowers as a pillar page. And then I would create a whole lot of content around that. So if people are ever looking up robotic lawnmowers, hopefully we have generated enough posts to show that we are an authority on it. And we will rank in the searches, because that is all good money. That's a very good money stream, that one. Grass seed, that's cheap, easy. So I could see that definitely is selling as well. Artificial turf, again, as I said, contact them directly. I do quite like this niche. And this is the research we do have to do. We really do want to dive into this research before we start making a page, going out there and doing too much more. I mean, this has taken, 30 minutes of time. We have found a niche. we've looked at our topical authority, and we've found that there's probably enough products here for us to promote digital and physical. So that's another big green tick. I'll leave this video here, guys. I hope that you've learnt a thing or two, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.